Hello everyone. Today I have a ramen, egg, cheese recipe for you. First, place the pot on the stove, use high heat. Pour in 500 milliliters of water in the pot, and wait until it boils. In the meantime, let's prepare the other ingredients together. Prepare 1 slice of cheese. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want. 1/3 cup milk. 1 tablespoon butter. 2 eggs. 1 pack ramen. Now the water in the pot is boiling. Add in the ramen and boil it for about 1 minute. Turn off the stove, pour out the water in the pot. Add half a tablespoon vegetable, or cooking oil. Stir the ramen with oil until well combined. Set aside, this way will help the ramen not stick together. Turn on the stove, place the pan on the stove. Add the milk, butter, egg, and cheese. When the eggs are almost cooked, add the ramen. Stir all ingredients together until well combined. So your ramen, eggs, cheese is done. Enjoy! Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you again in the next video. Have a nice day everyone. Thank you for watching.